What is up, guys? This is day 4 of me posting consistently every single day. You already get it. Let's begin. Whoa, look at that. Okay, what am I gonna make today? That's what I'm gonna be making today. Alright, let's begin. Okay. Let's do this. Alright, so I'm gonna be using these to make the pumpkins. Yeah, let's do this. It's done. Alright, so it looks a little dirty, but it's fine. I'm gonna clean it with this. So I just got it clean, but I don't know where the colors are, so come on, let's go look for them. There you are. Got you. All right, I got it. Now, where's the other one? Got it. We got him.
Hay otro verde, creo.
And this is how your pumpkin should look like. Look at it. Very nice. Very well colored. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Yeah. And done. Look at it. Nice. Oh, it looks so cool. Ma, ¿te gusta? Mom? Mom! Mom!